What's the meaning of Bermuda? Bermuda. Bermuda.
Bermuda. Bermuda. Bermuda is an archipelago located in the North Atlantic Ocean, and a British overseas territory. The name Bermuda is believed to have originated from the Spanish explorer Juan de Bermudez, who was the first European to discover the island in the 16th century. The archipelago's most famous feature is the Bermuda Triangle, an area of the ocean where numerous ships and aircraft have disappeared in mysterious circumstances. Bermuda is also known for its pink sand beaches, turquoise waters, and coral reefs, which attract tourists from around the world. It has a rich history, including being a hub for rum running during the Prohibition era, and a popular tax haven for offshore businesses.